Hi, I'm Mike with BlastWave. Today I want to talk to you about protection, and specifically protection of critical infrastructure. Recent projections reveal that by 2025, the total number of IoT connections globally will exceed 25 billion. That quadruples what it was just a few years ago. And even more telling in those projections is that the number of industrial IoT systems will outpace consumer systems, with almost 14 billion interconnected industrial IoT endpoints by 2025. The fourth industrial revolution and the digitalization of operational technologies and control networks is truly going to revolutionize our world and usher in new levels of automation never seen before. But with this revolution comes risk. As critical infrastructure becomes interconnected, the infrastructures that control our power, water, food supplies, and even transportation is at risk of attack. And the question we have to ask ourselves is, how are we going to protect these networks? In years past, the answer was simple. We could simply air-gap operational technology networks from the outside world, thereby eliminating the possibility of entry from outsiders or malicious intruders. But with the integration of cloud and edge computing, modern industrial IoT networks are rapidly becoming a complex array of human to application, human to machine, and finally machine to application networks, each with their own unique security, segmentation, and access control requirements. If we look to the current protection solutions, our answer would be to apply the same old enterprise security layers of yesterday. VPN would be leveraged to protect the WAN, some level of multi-factor authentication used to verify the remote user's identity, and massively complex segmentation and access control policies that would have to be rolled out across the LAN to prevent malicious insider intrusion or lateral attacks. But the fact of the matter is, these technologies simply aren't designed to meet the security needs of next-generation industrial IoT networks. There has to be a better way to protect our critical infrastructure in these modern industrial IoT environments. And that better way is BlastShield. In short, BlastShield is a software-defined, fabric-based private network that's purpose-built for the protection of critical infrastructure and applications. BlastShield deploys as an overlay to your existing IT and OT network infrastructures in minutes, requiring zero configuration. Once deployed, the BlastShield network and protected assets are rendered invisible and cannot be seen by anyone except systems or users with authorized privilege. Remote user access is convenient, but highly secure via BlastShield's state-of-the-art, three-surface, passwordless multi-factor authentication process that's truly revolutionary. And finally, administrators have real-time control over segmentation and access rules across the entire network at the touch of a button. This eliminates the need for time-consuming network changes and eliminates the risk of human error-induced vulnerabilities that commonly occur when making network changes. BlastShield is a complete edge-to-edge protection solution that eliminates entire classes of vulnerabilities that are often left exposed with other protection solutions. Across the WAN, BlastShield's patent-pending peer-to-peer architecture is immune to SSL VPN exploits, eliminating the risk of exploitation within the WAN. Remote user vulnerabilities such as phishing, key theft, and lateral attacks are eliminated. And within the LAN, BlastShield eliminates insider fingerprinting and brute force attacks by rendering protected assets and infrastructure invisible and undetectable without authorized access. To learn more about BlastWave and our BlastShield solution, please visit us at www.blastwave.io.